Many gardeners in Oklahoma have harsh, rocky soils to contend with and drier conditions than what we would like. Well, this myrtle spurge is one plant that will not shy away from that environment. In fact, really thrives in that condition. You can see it has these beautiful yellow bracts that come out in early spring, and being hardy from zones 5 to 9 and a prolific reseeder, we know it's guaranteed to return each season for us. Now, these yellow bracts give way to a bluish green foliage that is underlying, and it's the foliage actually kind of spirals around the stem, so it kind of creates a neat geometric shape in the garden. It has no major insect or disease problems and is actually tolerant of deer and rabbits as well. This plant will reach about a height of 5 to 8 inches, but it kind of colonizes and it makes a nice cascading effect over the rocks that might be around it. This is definitely a tough plant, but it's delicate enough to soften even the harshest rock garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.